Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you the best HTML practice website. Maybe you have seen this before, but I strongly suggest to you, if you are web developer or just ordinary blogger, you bookmark this W3Schools.com. This is the W3Schools.com, the app's name Tryit Editor, and then it's really cool stuff that it's free. I think for a lifetime it's free, and this is the HTML code that you can practice by yourself. Practice by yourself easily. You don't need to install in your offline data server or so on. But the thing is, this kind of HTML Tryit Editor is not you can't call database from your server or from your computer, but it's good enough for you to practice HTML. Not to mention that this HTML editor, you can put JavaScript on it. See, this is my just JavaScript. It's really cool editor, and then I can get my website. This is the promotion from this website, and then just put this W3Schools.com on your browser, and then you can try your HTML experiment through this app. Okay, that's it. This video, if you think this content is helpful for you, you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.